What's up, guys? Event Array. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2. These are I haven't used this one before, but my go-to gaming headset. I'm a big gamer. I have basically every console except for the new gen. Haven't got my hands on a Series X or a PS5 yet, but I have a Xbox One S, Xbox One X, PS4, Nintendo Switch. I have a Nintendo DS XL. I have a PSP. I have a PlayStation 3. I have a Wii. I don't have a Wii U, but most people don't have Wii U's. But yeah, anyways, I had my Stealth 700s. I got them at GameStop about a year ago, and I got the warranty on them, and they were just not connecting to my Xbox anymore. So I went in, and they didn't have the first generation anymore. And then I found out that they had these, and they just gave them to me free of charge, basically, because I have the warranty on them anyways. But I just want to do a quick unboxing because the first generation, they were great headphones. I didn't have any complaints with them at all. Like, they were perfect. And of course they were $149. They're $150, which is the same price for the first generation. This box has like a matte finish to it. It feels very nice, and I like this little tassel on the top. It's a nice silver touch to it. Yep, so let's just go ahead and get started. This is just going to be my basic unboxing knife. I use it for most things, and it's very multi-purpose. I wish I could get one of the, if you watch anybody who does unboxing and they have like the Grove Made box cutter, now that is a great knife. So let's see if I can do this. I don't know why it's so hard doing this with this camera in front of me, but there we go. Put that to the side safely. So it opens up like this. Ooh, we have a nice styrofoam kind of finish. The box is, of course, cardboard, but the black on them just makes it look much nicer. And you have this cardboard, and here are the headsets sitting very, ooh, you feel that? You hear that? I really like that. The generation 1 for the 700s, they had tones difference. So for the basically color tones, so for the Xbox, they had a green line kind of around the edge. If I knew I was going to be getting a new one and I wanted to do this unboxing, I would have done like some footage for my old headset. And then the PS4 version had a blue on there. But yeah, these are very nice on here. So this is going to be your game volume, your party volume. For the mode, this is for the superhuman hearing that Turtle Beach has. It's supposed to help you hear footsteps better in games. I don't really use it that often, so I guess it really doesn't make a difference if I don't end up using it. This is going to be the power button. This is going to be for Bluetooth. This is going to be for pairing. One thing that's really cool about the Stealth 700 is you can press the pairing button on here and then the pairing button on your Xbox, and it's true wireless. It'll pair to it, and it's super cool that way. And then it looks like we are still using, oh wow, they have upgraded to Type-C on here, which is super cool because the first generation used micro USB. Have a nice firm fill on here. It's adjustable, of course. Adjustable as far as how it fits. It's a little firmer than the older ones were. This feel, oh, it has like a memory foam cushion on there. Let me see if I can press it from the front so you can see it. Yeah, that's pretty nice. It's form-fitting. Of course, the mic is hidden in here. Where is it? There it is. And you can pull it up, and it's mute to lift. So whenever you lift it, it mutes you, so you don't have to worry about muting. It's pretty cool. I think these look more sophisticated than my older ones, if not a little bulkier. I'm gonna place them on my head just real quick. And the first generation had noise cancellation. These definitely feel like they fit with a firmer fit, like they're made for someone with a smaller head, but I can feel the noise cancellation on here. I sound very muffled right now. So these are really cool, but like I said, they do feel tighter than the older one. What else do we have in the box? Let's see, probably a power cord in here. Stealth Air Force literature. How do I open this? Okay, fancy. Okay, I think I saw this earlier. This is just the troubleshooting, which I actually did try. I went to get answers on here, and that didn't help me with my pairing issue. And then I could have done the support, but they had a delay, and they said it could take up to 4 days to get a reply. So I was like, no thanks. You get a little Turtle Beach sticker, register your product, quick start guide. So these are probably the instructions on how to pair and everything. Oops. Yep, pretty much the same instructions. Muted mic, unmuted, stuff like that. I already know how to do pretty much all of that. Well, hopefully I do, because I'm going to try to pair this in a second. And it should be pretty seamless, but it looks like that's pretty much it. It just has this form-fitting cardboard on there, the moisture pack. And I guess if you wanted to store it, you could just put it back in here. It does fit in there. But I have a headphone hook, and then you do get a USB Type-C wire in here. But yeah, overall, I like this feel of it. It feels more premium than the first generation. I'm going to check out the sound quality, and then I will add that in for you guys. Thanks for checking in. I just wanted to do this unboxing. I think I'll do the review in a separate video. But yeah, this is for the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2. That is a mouthful of a name. And I will catch you guys next time. Event Array. Peace.